Hey guys, Jay here, welcome to EonsOfBattle. In this video, I want to show you how to make some industrial floor bases. Here are the paints I'll be using, and a list of materials can be found in the description below. The first thing I did was, to give that sci-fi grading texture, I used some drywall sanding screens, which have a good grit and are a nice scale. I glued this down to the base with plenty of super glue. Then I used some junk scissors to cut out the screen so that it sat flush on the bases. Then to add more sci-fi texture, I took a zip tie, sanded the flat side to get a little grit, and then superglued this down in parallel with the screen. Then I used a hobby knife to trim it flush. Then lastly, to add some power cables, I took some 15 gauge aluminum wire and bent it to the shape and then glued it down with more superglue. The aluminum wire is nice because it's so soft. Now with the modeling complete, it was time for paint. I started by airbrushing on some black primer, but you could just as easily use a rattle can. Then I dry brushed the bases with some Games Workshop Leadbelcher. After that, I used some Games Workshop Ryza rust to add some rust and corrosion to the flooring. Once that was done, I painted the wires with some Vallejo heavy blue. Then I darkened the bases by giving them a wash with some Army Painter Strong Tone, which is a dark brown wash. Then to finish them off, I did a light dry brushing with some Games Workshop Runefang steel. The only thing left was to paint the rim of the bases black. And there you have 3 finished industrial floor bases. We make tutorials like these all the time, and if you find them helpful, you might consider supporting us over on Patreon. And you'll get some behind the scenes and exclusive content as well. If you want to add some variety to your sci-fi bases, you could check out our Spaceship Interior base. Find this video and lots more like it on our basing playlist, where you'll find tons of easy and unique bases. But that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching.